Thank you, Shane. Good morning. Beautiful day. Beautiful location. Thanks for being here. Our engines have always ushered in disruption in the world of aviation. And this disruption has created significant differentiation for us in the marketplace. With digital, our focus is clear, and it's twofold. One, extend the differentiation by using a model that has the engine at the core, augmented by digital platforms, products, and services. Secondly, we're in a complex business, and we make an extremely complex product. For us, digital is about envisioning to keep things simple. Simplify, yet revolutionize the way we engage with our customers, empower our employees, and increase business effectiveness. So I'd like to cover three aspects here. First, what are the initiatives we're working on and how they're impacting the business? Secondly, how do these initiatives fit into our realm of thinking around digital? And thirdly, how do we really define the technology backbone that's required to really support all these activities? Our digital agenda focuses on three priorities: our customers, our employees, and our business. As of today, we've executed on a number of carefully identified initiatives that are real and relevant to our business. So let me give you a few examples. First, engine performance and reliability remains always on top of our minds. And to that end, we made tremendous progress on engine health monitoring. With the use of industrial Internet of Things and advanced analytics, we're able to collect full flight data today. We're able to track and analyze this data. Today, the collection happens on our GTF engines. And typically, with our EFAS box, we're able to actually collect about 5,000 parameters every 20 milliseconds. And we're able to analyze and process these large streams of data and look for patterns that not only detect anomalies, but also predict possible failure modes in advance, ultimately reducing unplanned engine removals, optimizing our engine maintenance planning, and improving advanced forecasting on our shop visits and spares demand. Another example, with the use of digital technologies such as VR, or virtual reality, gamification, advanced simulation models, our knowledge management and training systems have actually generated tremendous amount of excitement within our employee base, and they've evoked huge response in our classroom sessions. With the use of virtual reality, our employees are enabled now to see the engine fully inside out without disassembling it. Actually, right after this and after the Q&A session, you would be able to see demos of both the engine health monitoring and the VR application on the floor today. Another critical place where we are really addressing is to predict risk to 100% bomb fulfillment. And we are analyzing today over 1 billion records of supplier performance data and use machine learning models to basically score supplier risk level. Now, through all these initiatives, we are accelerating towards our goal of embedding intelligence within our business ecosystem, which is obtain full visibility to current state and accurately predict the next. So our efforts around our next generation portals, customer portals, our efforts around the engine-wise are all leading to what is called a 360-degree view of our customer ecosystem. Shane talked about connecting machines, connecting our factories, optimized labor scheduling, integrated demand and capacity planning, automated inspection to reduce quality notifications. All of these are leading to what is called an intelligent, integrated production network. All our efforts around engine health monitoring are leading to what is a predictable performance on the wing. And finally, our efforts around MRO digitization that include automated processes to meet network volume, and also the way we gather intelligent insights from the convergence of data both from product and services are leading to a fully connected MRO. Now, within the practical scope of digital today, intelligence is transformative. But these intelligent systems should ultimately come together and evolve into a sophisticated network of intuitive processes and systems. That will be the inception of true personalization for our customers. So which means our 360-degree view of our customer should ultimately and will ultimately evolve to a pre-engaged customer, where we are perpetually connected, harmonized, and the interactions are seamless and frictionless. Our smart integrated production network should ultimately evolve to an adaptive production network, where these intelligent manufacturing processes and smart systems will all come together and they will configure themselves based on specific needs of the customer. Our predictable performance on the wing will ultimately should move to a guaranteed performance on the wing. And a fully connected MRO will ultimately evolve to a context-driven MRO, where MRO shops are fully pre-sensitized and equipped to serve our customers and the fleet based on the context of operations. Now, all these activities mandate the deployment of a strong, resilient, and scalable digital infrastructure. We made significant investments to put in place a digital foundation that fully supports our business. And we continue to build upon that core. So from having robust, world-class, and fully modernized enterprise systems, including our ERP, our PLM, and our manufacturing execution systems on the shop floor, to having to actually implementing an integrated data strategy, to deploying a hybrid cloud infrastructure on the ground, and making available modern platforms and tools that would enable rapid composition of digital applications. Which leads us to the next topic of talent and how we deploy this talent. So we're investing decisively to create depth of digital skills and capability where it matters. So we've identified 7 major disciplines that are core to supporting our business. And we are maturing our digital expertise across our employee base around these 7 disciplines. The digital accelerator, where we're all assembled today, is fundamental and integral to the success of our digital roadmap. It both models a new way of working and also integrates developed capabilities back into the business units. Moreover, it creates the ability to actually establish fast iterations using the concept of a minimally viable product. At the end, the accelerator is set up to deliver 3 key benefits to the business units, and we see this every day going forward. First, speed. So the ability to deliver quickly critical projects that require digital maturity are done here at the digital accelerator. Second is adoption. The skills and capabilities that we have within the UT Digital Accelerator, they are constantly going to evolve. These will evolve as the emerging technologies come in. So once these technologies have been matured within the digital accelerator, the accelerator will then help adopt these within the business units. And finally is the concept of scale. So every time we have proof points from the accelerator that have validated these technologies, then what's going to really happen is how are we able to use these technologies and really scale them within the context of our business applications. So hopefully you got a little bit of a view today on what we are tackling from a digital perspective. Our top leaders in the organization have already led and have talked passionately about digital from their perspective. I look forward to our one-on-one sessions, and I really would urge you to use the break to look at our demos, which will include some of the some of the topics we discussed today. Thank you very much.